Hey brother, welcome back. I am in the Smoky Mountains. I am traveling around the country in my RV, and I am sharing with you tonight some of the books that I have brought with me. They're that important to me. They have been that transformational to me that I am actually carrying them with me on a cross-country trip. Even though I have the Kindle version and the Audible version of many of these books, they're important enough to me to have access to, regardless of internet connection. I want to be able to reach up and just reference them if I need to. So, the book for this video is Confidence. Confidence by Barbara DeAngelis, PhD. The book is not that long. It is a very short read, but it is a very impactful read. In fact, you could probably read sections of it over morning coffee if you like. If you want to do it that way. I'm not sure. I think that this one's on Kindle, but I don't think it's on Audible. It was written some time ago, and I don't know that she's actually done an Audible version of it. If correct me, drop a comment if you think I'm wrong, or if you know of a resource that's different. But this is a good book. There are 3 concepts in it. I'll tell you those 3 concepts, but I'll also tell you should get the book, you should read the book, because she goes deeper than just these 3 concepts. But as a summary sort of snippet, the 3 things that she talks about in this book are behavioral confidence, emotional confidence, and spiritual confidence. So just briefly, behavioral confidence is having self-trust and confidence that you will show up and do what needs to be done, that you know you can trust yourself to behave in the way that you need to behave in order to take care of yourself. That's a very brief summary of it. Emotional confidence is the confidence knowing that you can trust yourself to handle things, to not take things personally, to not lose your shit when things go down, when things happen, just to be able to hold it all together emotionally. There's also spiritual confidence, and spiritual confidence is confidence in the fact that you live in an abundant universe, that there are plenty of resources, there's plenty of time, there's plenty of money, there's plenty of love, there's plenty of sex, there's plenty of everything. And that we get in trouble when we have a scarcity mindset and we think that there's going to be a shortage or a deficiency or a lack of something. And that we live in this abundant universe, and it actually does want to give us what we want. We just continue to get it in our own way because we act out of fear. And so when we can internalize those 3 principles, those 3 forms of confidence, we can really begin to trust ourselves and be able to move past the things that have gotten in our way, because we have the confidence to do so. So it's a great read. I highly recommend it. And I also recommend having a journal. As you read through these books, write down what comes to mind. Write down what stands out for you in these books. You can in your journal, you can write notes from the book. You can write excerpts from the book. You can write your thoughts about the things that she talks about. Just write, stream of consciousness, write without worrying about punctuation or grammar or being perfect, and it'll change your life. It will literally, I know when people say literally, it's all almost like, it'll change your life. Dude, this tofu is so good, it'll change your life. No, this will change your life. This will transform you, because you'll be able to see the patterns in your thinking. You'll be able to unlock your beliefs, and you'll be able to make the choices and decisions that you need to do in order to change your life, because you'll have the confidence to do so. Okay, if you want to talk about any of this stuff, any of the books that I have talked about in this series, and if you haven't watched the other videos that I've put out, go back and watch those as well. There's a lot of other good books that I have mentioned. If you want to talk about this book or any of the concepts that are mentioned in any of the books that I talk about, reach out to me at happymancoaching.com and let's have a conversation. I'm here for you, brother. I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.